of all, thank you so much. And this feels like a family since the time I've been coming here. Every week we get a new direction, I feel, whenever we attend a coffee meetup. And whenever I'm not here, I feel there's something missing. Like my week is not complete. It's very special to me, of course, as I found you as a partner for being Majlis and now White Club. All I can say, everyone, is just keep showing up, just keep coming. You never know where it takes. The collaborations that you make here, the friendships that you make here, it's very special. It's something which I can't express in words. But yeah, well done to the amazing community.
By the way, I think it's very interesting today that I'm sitting next to the person who, when she said the first networking meeting that I went to was because she suggested it. So I feel so happy to be sitting next to you on this one. I think I don't know, I can't think of what is one thing that Coffee Meetup has got for me. It's many for a lot of people. But I think the day when you said a sentence, which is the philosophy of my life, that day I felt that I've arrived to the right place after the was suggested. It said, why fit in when you're born to stand out? So when I heard the same sentence from you, I felt that this is the place I belong. So thank you for this, and thank you for creating what you have for so many people. I have my daughter Gianna speak about what I do.
Upama Gokwe, co-founder of Upcycle. So what is Upcycle? Upcycle is something, what I can say is, you said one line, right? So it just feels more comfortable, more close to come here, because it's not that I come often because I stay far, but I try to make it at least once in a month to meet all of you. So thank you so much.
When I just started my business, I randomly messaged somebody from some group saying that, this is what I do. And she said, you know what? And it was a Sunday, and she said, we meet on a Monday morning at Ibn Battuta in Ormado. Why don't you join us? I was like, to do what? I still went ahead. I was very new to networking. I didn't know how to talk in front of people. And I was like, why do I have to stand up and talk for a minute? Today it's very hard to shut me up. So I still went ahead. And it wasn't her, it was someone else who recommended me to go over there, and it was her event. I was sitting exactly like this, and we were about 15 people. It was a much smaller place, and it was like really intimate group, and it was like one of the few groups which is open for men and women, because I always feel entrepreneurship is not just related to women. It's great to have that, but it's also it should be open to everyone. It just gives more space, more confidence. And I think that was about 16 July 2023. And I don't think I have missed any Monday after that unless I'm traveling. And that angel has stopped coming to this event anymore. But I have stayed. And from Ormado to here to see, 35 plus people right now. It's this journey that you've made each and every one of us so confident. Sorry, I will take 30 seconds extra. But like you see her, when I met her 2 years back, I don't think she was able to do what she did today. And she just was a storm out there. One thing that I noticed, nobody was on their phones. Everybody was listening to her, but that's the power that she gives to all of us. So I'm sorry, there's no one word for you or one sentence for you. It's a 1.5 minute dedication to her. What about me, what I do tomorrow at 11 a.m.
One and only and this her vision and the way she builds meaningful connection among people truly touched me. So Eves, thank you so much for being such a genuine inspiration. Your meetups have created ripples of positivity and collaboration across the world. And I'm truly grateful to be here today, learning and connecting with such an inspiring community.
Before describing her to you, let me tell you what I do. I hold spaces for Yvonne. Last week, she sent me a message saying, Rita, I am missing you. And then suddenly I woke up from my woman cave and said, oh my God, somebody is missing me and seeing me. And so I came, even with my tenderness, I came here because I wanted to recognize that I'm being recognized. So thank you so much, Eves, for touching my heart deeply. Thank you. And
Here to meet each other and take those positive energies which keeps us charged up for the whole day. Now, as far as Eves is concerned, one sentence is very, very less to me. Sorry. It's very less. Knowingly or unknowingly, she's given me so much in life that where I am right now, it's all dedicated to her, because as most of us were in our own rooms and shells, I shifted to this country 4 years back. I started with a profession where I didn't belong. I was doing home decor. I was a wedding planner from right beginning for 20 years of, for the last 20 years. So I left that, but somewhere I was, losing myself. So this was my first network meetup. I had coordinated with these 2 years back when I was in my home decor business, but that time I couldn't make it. Last year somehow I thought, okay, let me go. What is this networking all about? I never knew what is that networking. What do people do? They just come and chat and have coffee like a kitty party. I was never a kitty party person. So when I came, she gave me a hug. That hug gave me that energy I cannot express. And it's not nothing that I have to prove anything. It's something inside me. And the way she took me around everyone and made me meet everyone, that gave me that confidence and that safety wherein I thought, sorry, today everyone gets 30 seconds.
Everyone will take the 2 minutes.
So that was there wherein I felt that security, oh no, this is my existence. I have to get back, I have some backing. And from that Monday onwards, I think it was whenever I go to India, I'm not here, or whenever I have important project, I'm not here. Otherwise, Monday is so important. I plan all my meetings accordingly because I have to come here, get that help, meet all my tribe, and
We came because I saw you had put in a message that it's the anniversary celebration. I am only going to talk about Eves today. We got connected through another friend who's no longer a friend.
I like that.
And if there's one word that
We want to know that story.
Say whatever you want, doesn't matter, yeah? So if there's one word that represents Eves for me, that's connection and relationship, right? We say, sorry men, don't feel left out, but we say that when women support other women, incredible things happen, and she is a living example of that. And I'm sure most of you can relate to what I'm saying, yeah? And for me, she recommends me, I can't even think of things, and everywhere, wherever she sees something, she always is my strong supporter, and she's someone who's really made a big difference in my life as well. So thank you for just being there, thank you for whatever you are doing.
When I stepped out of my house and just joined eBoutique, there I met Eves, and both Dua and Eves both recommended me to come and just see what exactly is the networking. And the first week I still remember, I just missed it thinking, I don't know what to do there. And the next week I messaged her, will I be able to come? She's like, yeah, just don't think, come. When I came here, I was totally new. I did not know anyone. And now after 1.5 years, here I am, working with eBoutique with full of confidence. My name is Paulomi. My journey,
2 years back, and I still remember I was not able to speak, like what was her name, Eves or Yvonne, so I still remembered everything. But one thing what Kushal mentioned that she will hold your hand and she will introduce that it looks, I'm getting the goosebumps. And what she did it for Z today, I was in the spotlight almost 6 months back, and that was my first time. And she will push you to the new things. And I feel, like you said, one sentence. For you, there is no one sentence. And congratulations for the 3rd anniversary.
3 years back, I moved to Dubai and got married. My in-laws are from Dubai. And that was a new place. And the other move is Yeah.